LeapFrog Crypto here. Just a quick reminder, all the content here is purely educational, showing you how I use bots in crypto trading. This isn't financial advice, I'm simply sharing my experiences and strategies. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Happy trading! Been analyzing Stellar all day, and do I have some exciting insights to share with you? Looking at the 3-day chart, it seems like we're at the top of Wave 3 in an Elliott Wave structure. Now, I'm no expert in Elliott Wave theory, but here's my interpretation. We've seen Wave 1 with an initial move up, followed by Wave 2 with a double bottom. Then came Wave 3 with a strong bullish push, and now we're expecting Wave 4 to correct to around 28 cents before another breakout to form Wave 5. The Ichimoku cloud is showing some seriously bullish signals on the 3-day chart. You know, we've got price action above the cloud, the Chiku span also above the cloud, and the cloud itself is green, indicating bullish momentum. Zooming into the 8-hour chart, I've analyzed some harmonic patterns and the stochastic oscillator. The stochastic indicator shows the asset is oversold, which could indicate a breakout soon. Plus, we're seeing a bull flag or pennant forming, suggesting an upward breakout. As always, make sure to DIR before making any investment decisions.